Do you actually like your car seat right now, huh? God, people can't see it that way. Do you like your car seat? Or that's just right now, huh? That's just right now. See, we're going to Walmart. We're going to Walmart. Silly boy. Silly boy. Silly boy. Silly boy. Maybe you'll be an actor, huh? Yeah, maybe you'll be an actor. Because you like being in front of the camera. Yeah. Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.